Hey, this is Mikhail from 256 Mike. Okay, I'm going to show you on a Jeep Cherokee, and this is for any car really, how to replace a brake booster. You see, that's the old one right there, and this is the new one. It's very simple. This is a piece of cake, guys. Anybody can do this. Look, 4 screws. You see this clamp right here? That's for your brake pedal. Disconnect the brake pedal. You see it? Just disconnect your brake pedal. And there's the 4 holes, you see? There's 1, there's 2, and the other 2 right there. And that's where your booster is going to come in through and connect to the brake pedal, all right? Just take away those 4 screw, boom, the 4 nuts out of there. The nuts. Get the 4 nuts out, brake pedal off. Look, I didn't even have to, on the master cylinder, I didn't even have to disconnect the hose or nothing because I had enough wiggling room. And then just put the new one in there, hook everything up exactly the way you took it off. It brings 4 new screws. You see, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. The nuts, you see it? That's where it goes connected inside your car. And then over here, these 2, this is where your master cylinder goes in, you see? It connects that in there, boom. Everything 1, 2, 3, easy. That way you don't have to drain your brake lines or nothing, you know. So that's the way I do it. Make sure. Look in here. Is the old one. This is the old one. You see it? What happened was she was driving, and then she went to hit the brakes, and it just went like that inside the car. Like on the brake pedal, she heard a lot of air, and then it just went all the way down to the floor, and she barely had brakes. When I brought the Jeep over here, I brought it at 20 miles per hour, and anytime I step on the brakes, it took me a while to stop. So, but I live in the backwoods. Everything is safe. But yeah, just hooking this up right now. Boom, getting it out to the customer. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video. You have any question, any problem with a car or anything, just leave me a comment. I help you out. That's what I do. All right, well, this is Mikhail. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.